Hello YouTube, StatJones75 here with some new product. Well, it's probably older product, but I found this in a Walmart today. They only have one box. 2019 Contenders draft pick football. I'm trying to get that guy Kyler Murray. A nice autograph for him would be great. Just a blaster box. So just want to rip right into it. You know, I think you get 42 cards inside, it says. And exclusive red foil and blue foil parallels. Numbered parallels, including the iconic cracked ice. 7 packs per box. So 2 autographs per box on average. Whoa, that's pretty damn good. And there's your odds there if you want to pause it. So I didn't know it was 2 autographs per box on average. Hopefully we get no points and we don't get stiff. Been on a pretty good hot streak lately. I don't know how I'll do with these. But Contenders auto rookies are the best, especially for football. So let's see how we do. My wife would kill me if she knew I was using her Christmas dinner table set up for my video here. Anyway, we're not going to tell her. Season ticket, Mitchell Trubisky, Derrick Henry. Season ticket. Oh, here's a legacy insert. Season ticket, Matt Breida. Dan Marino. You hardly ever get rookies in here. It's all season tickets. That's the only thing about these. The only way you're getting a rookie is usually with the autograph or like a rookie of the year insert. So we'll see what happens. Season ticket. Like in hobby, you get more often. Get the rookies in the regular packs. Brandon Cook season ticket. Do we have an auto here? Some sort of Damian Harris draft class. See, so this is how you're going to get rookies right here, like the inserts. Season ticket, Terry Bradshaw, Antonio Callaway. So all veterans for the most part. More season ticket, Carson Wentz. What does it say? Contentions. So those are probably rookies. In that insert, season ticket. No autos yet, so that kind of sucks. Hopefully we don't get stiffed in this box. We shall see. More season tickets. Kamara season ticket. Le'Veon Bell. Oh, as our. That's the other thing. The rookie autos. That's usually a guy you've never heard of. Like this guy, Tavon Cooney. But it's a college ticket, rookie. And the Fighting Irish. So there's our first auto. At least we got an auto. And yeah, so like I said, it's tough to find the rookies in this product. More season ticket. Here's another person I've never heard of. For a college ticket, Mickey Crum. I mean, he's probably like in college right now. So where's the Kyler Murrays and shit, man? Anyway, Saquon Barkley. That's cool. Joe Namath. It's kind of aggravating. So that's it. I mean, once you get your autos, you're pretty much done with the box. So much for trying to find Mr. Kyler Murray there. Not gonna happen. Season ticket. Imagine if I got him right now. That'd be awesome. Brett Favre, Nick Chubb. So game day ticket. Trace McSorley. So he might be another rookie. Season ticket, season ticket. Very frustrating / aggravating. Not getting any rookies. You pay pretty decent money for this product. Season ticket, season ticket. Kyler Murray, there we go. At least we got one of him. I always get this guy, man. I'm like so hot with this guy. So at least we got one. Might not have been an auto, but Peyton Manning, Emmitt Smith, and Tim Tebow. So there you go. Got the Kyler Murray at least. Hey guys, give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for the support. Have a great evening and Merry Christmas, everyone. See ya pretty soon. All right, bye.